Hey there, my name is Tobin and I'm an MSP consultant at Proval Technologies. In this video, I'm going to share a new software management feature that you may be unaware of. By default, if a machine is pending a reboot due to patching, software management will skip the scanning and patching processes until the reboot occurs. Kaseya has added a new feature that intends to circumvent this setting and encourage scanning and patching regardless of the state of reboot. To enable this feature, come over to your scan analysis profile. Let's edit our profile. And we're going to scroll down till we see Pending Reboot Handling. From here, you will probably find that you are selected on Skip Scan with an error. We're going to select Ignore Pending Reboot and proceed with scan. We're going to select Save. Select Yes. And do this for each of your scan and analysis profiles. We will also need to do that down here at the deployment profile as well. Select your deployment profile, select Edit, scroll down to the Pending Reboot Handling section. You will most likely again see that it is set to Skip Deployment with an error. Select the Ignore Pending Reboot and perform a deployment. Select Save, select Yes, and do that for each other deployment profile that you have. Fast and easy today. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on Kaseya, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and more. Please let us know if there's anything else that you would like to see.